time on sheep. First time on sheep. These are McCallum bred pups. And their mother is also Hank bred and Tony bred. First time, boys. First time on sheep. First time on sheep. They don't know what they're doing. It's all instinct. They're trying to cut them off and hurt them. They're not running in trying to attack them. Just babies. Just babies. Great babies. He's got a hold. He's got a hold. He took a mouthful of wool. These are lambs. They don't know much about staying together, and they're not dog broke. Couple more seconds here. You've got an idea. They're all interested. They've all put their eye on these sheep. They're all trying to anticipate where they're going to go, hurt them and cut them off. That one with the pink collar keeps trying to grab a hold of one. He has a couple times. Great puppies, great breeding, great bloodlines. McCallum Bloodline on the top side and the bottom side. But Mama, like I said, also has Hank and Tony breeding. In fact, Hank is 4 times in her papers. Okay, now I got to catch these guys because they don't know anything, including come here. He got a hold of them again. That little one's a good biter. Now that other one's took a chunk also, that middle one. These pups have got definite interest and instinct. See if the dog grabs a hold. And these babies are doing just great. People hope that their dogs get to be training age and they have this much interest in stock. Alright, we're going to try and gather them up now. Come on, cut. And there he goes. He saw the sheep. All he had to do was see them. I wanted to just get pictures because they did so good yesterday. I forgot to take pictures. But let's see what happens this morning. Everything we took on these videos was yesterday the 10th and today the 11th. Of March. And I'm going to try and get some pictures here if I get him slowed down a little bit. First time ever by himself. Never been in the pen by himself before. Today's the day. Yesterday was the first day together. That's what he's doing. I'm going to try and get some pictures now.